For this problem, I used the genetic programming. Here, first I import the libraries, and the code begins by importing all the required packages for the data handling, pre-processing, and building the genetic programming. Then the dataset files read using the pandas.read CSV. Feature X, which is the input columns used for the prediction, and target Y is the label we want to classify. Then any categorical data, then the pre-processing of the data. In that part, any categorical data is converted into the numeric format, like one hot encoding, and the unnecessary columns are dropped. Then the dataset is split into the training set used to evolve the genetic programming formulas, which is around the 75%, and the testing set, which is used to measure the final accuracy, which is around a 25% percentage. This prevents the overfitting and gives a fair evaluation. Genetic programming classifier is initialized with the parameters that control the evolution, such as the population size, number of generations, tournament size, crossover probabilities, and the mutation probabilities. And also the mathematical functions that GP allow to use them, and which is very important in genetic programming to use the mathematical functions. During the training, the GP system starts with the many random mathematical expression, and each expression predicts on the training data. Then the fitness score is assigned based on the accuracy. Then after that, evolutionary operation occurs. The first one is the selection, then crossover and the mutation. Over the several generations, expressions become the more accurate. Then the model uses the evolved mathematical expression to classify new data. So it inserts a row features into the final expression. The expression outputs a number. If the number is above the threshold value, then it predicts the 1, and otherwise it predicts the 0. So decision rule is entirely based on the evolved formula. After training, the model predicts on the test data using the predict X test. Then accuracy is calculated with the accuracy score. This shows how the evolved formula generalizes the unseen data. Then the final predictions can be written into the submission file for evaluation in the format of zeros and ones, such as the CSV required by the CSV file. It creates the submission.csv file.